Hi, I'm Kath Molloy, and welcome to Mad for Mondays, where we love to interview people from around the world and see what they're doing to make a difference. I've got a special guest here today, and she'll introduce to you who she is and what she does to make a difference.
Hi there, Kath. Hi, everyone. My name is Anne Nock. I call myself a complexity strategist because I believe that we're in a complex world. Complexity deals with the uns of this world, unprecedented, unknown, unexpected, perfect for where we are in 2020.
Wow, and that does sound like a complex future for us all, but I know you've got some great strategies to help people with that. So would you mind just sharing one of those very quickly?
Sure. The most important thing, I think, is that we let people be the agents of their own change, to take a bottom-up led approach rather than top-down directives. People have so much knowledge and experience, and we just need to tap into that to create meaningful change.
Wow, I love that. So along with my conscious leadership, we need to be a little bit more conscious of allowing our people to be that change that we want in our business as well.
Yeah.
Wow, thank you so much, Anne. And if anyone wants to get hold of you, how can they do that?
The best way is I own my own name, so annnock.com. There I am.
That's it. That's all you have to do. It's just knock once. All
Not
right.
once.
Well, have a great Monday, everybody, and I'll see you again next week. Thanks for now. Bye.